Hello everyone, welcome to Lab 8 of Interfacing. This lab is related to 7 segment display. My name is Rajwinder Kaur. My student ID is 103035528 and my section is 2. In this lab, we need to turn on and off each segment in the order A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and there should be half second delay between each segment, and then we need to turn on all the segments for 2 seconds, and at last we need to turn off all the segments. On the other hand, if we press and hold the power button, it will display characters from 0 to 9 and A to F. A, E, F are in uppercase and B, C, D are in lowercase, and there should be a half second delay between each displayed character. Along with that, if we release the power button, it will stop, and if we press and hold the power button again, it will resume the next character where it stopped. We can use either timer 0 or timer 1 to create delays. Here is the logic truth table to display segment. To display segment A, it is 0xFE. To display segment B, it is 0xFD, and so on. At last, to display segment G, it is 0xBF. And to display all the segments at a time, it is 0x00. And if we need to turn off all the segment, it is 0xFF. And the next task is to display characters. Here is a logic truth table to display characters. To display character 0, it is 0xC0. To display character 1, it is 0xF9 and so on. At last, to display characters F, it is 0x8E. So here is the source code. Here the port B is set to output, that is indicated by setting it to 0. And I created glow segment function to display segments one by one and display pattern to display characters one by one. Here I created another function named time half second to create half second delay. Here I used timer 0 to create delay. Then I created an array named segment and stored all the values that will display segment A to G. And in the function I created a for loop to display segments one by one and used timer half second function to create a delay between each segment display, and then turn on all the segments, and at last turn off all the segments. And to display characters, I created an array named characters and stored all the values that will display characters from 0 to 9 and A to F. And in the display pattern function, I created a for loop that will display characters from 0 to 9 and A to F. So here I use the value I is equals less than equal to 15. And it will only work if the RE2 is set to 1. That means while the power button is press and hold, then there will be a half second delay between each displayed characters. So now I will build the program. You can see that build succeeded. Now let me reconnect the picket 3. Picket 3 is connected and it also detects the target. Now I will load the program on picket 3. You can see that program verify complete.
Now coming to the circuit, this is a 7 segment display and each segment of the display is connected to a 470 ohm resistor and the other end of the resistor is connected to port B. For example, the segment A is connected to RB0 pin, segment B is connected to RB1 pin and segment C is connected to RB2 pin and so on. And these two pins on the both side of the segment are voltage pins that are connected to the 11th pin of the microchip. Now if I reset again, it will display each segment one by one, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G turn on all the segments for 2 seconds, and at last turn off all the segments. Now if I press and hold the power button, it will display characters one by one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now if I stop in between and press and hold the power button again, it will resume and display the next character where it stopped. For example, now it is stopped at 4. Now if I press and hold the power button again, it will display the next character, that is 5. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, if I release the power button and hold it again, it will display the character B. See. So, thank you.